Is your handheld video clip too shaky and ruining your video edit? Do not worry. In this CapCut tutorial for beginners, you will learn how to stabilize shaky footage in CapCut Mobile in just a few simple taps. First, open your video project and tap on your shaky video clip on the timeline to select it. Now, scroll the bottom toolbar to the right and tap on the stabilize icon. You will see a slider with stabilization levels. Drag the slider to recommended. This smooths out normal handshakes without zooming in too much. Here is a secret pro tip for high-quality CapCut video editing. After stabilizing, add a tiny bit of motion blur and export your video in 60 frames per second. This hides choppy movement and makes your footage look like a smooth gimbal shot. Now, tap on the check mark and press play to watch your smooth, stable video. To continue learning from our full course, check the playlist link in the description below.